Right, we got a big sleeve. Actually, I need to turn the mic on. That should be on now. So, it's a funny one. Last month, if you could show me, we did this one. So, 25th, last month, we did this little one because you wanted to try see how the paint is. And then we did this since then. So, in the months and 9 days, we done all this. This was session number 1. I think that was session number 2. And then 3, maybe? 3 and 4 was that one, huh? 4.
Number 1, number 2, number 3. I think it's number 4, number 5. This is number
We don't
6.
know.
Yeah, something like that.
We're kind of lost with this. There was but what I do know is, because this was 2 days ago. So he booked 3 days back to back. This is today. So that's red, as you can see. It's still shiny. So that's red. That's yesterday. Yesterday we blasted from that. That was like an auto today that I reworked and I went down. And then I think last week we did, week before, I don't even know, but we did this, the filigree on the elbow. That was it, filigree on the elbow and filigree on the inside. That was in the same session. I kept them split them apart so they not so close to each other. And then once we did that, then yesterday I blended the top into that one. So I had to like use that what he has and make it look like the same elements for here, like swirls and that. I used the same ones there, and then made extra elements in the middle so it merges out, so that becomes like a part of that. It doesn't look lonely. But yeah, if you turn a little bit, this was 2 days ago. 2 days ago we blasted this, and it's like healing, 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 healing. It's all healing. Yeah, that was 2 days ago. Then yesterday, that's done. So majority of the whole sleeve I've lined with 3 round liner, which gives the really clean, sharp lines, and then high blacks. So I didn't really use any mediums. It was more like darks, blacks, and just light. And this way we have busy sleeve. We have loads of details going on, but it's readable. It's understandable. We can see what is. As you can see, that little, even the S today for the dollar sign. It's clean, it's sharp, and it's readable. And then I also did exactly the same. Dark in the middle, white, the element itself left it white, and then becomes really readable. Same with the filigree, and then down. And the theme, kind of the way, the look of this started where we did this. There was this has a few cover-ups here and there, and then he sent me that he wanted this portion, and that kind of set the tone for how the sleeve will look like. And then I just went from it. So this kind of gave the base idea, the base flow, the base filigree, the look, and I just carried on. This, I guess it's healed now. I don't even know. But yeah, you can see the white stayed in. White's nice. We did blast the knuckles, but then something did fall out. So we're probably gonna add more ink in the future when we do something over in. So like now is the summertime. It's really heaty. It's quite hot, and it's quite hard to live with these. And he says, and he may be gonna come in like end of this year to add some more. Then we can do something about it. And the white's staying nice actually. The white is allegory white. The one I've been mentioning in a few videos, and actually it looks Snow White. That's been months ago, pretty much months ago. I was just, yeah, and then it's still Snow White. And then if you show the inside, this was also today. This was where I started. I was thinking, where should I start? Either this gap, so this was all empty, or the other side. And then I thought, you know what, this is like the killer, this is the bad one, let's get out of the way. And all this is like pretty much healed. I did blend into there a little bit. And again, as you can see, for the fingers I added quite high contrast ink, darks and mediums. Yeah, more towards dark. And then the ink I used today, it's probably like 20%, 30%. So it's going to heal quite light, but it's going to give a nice contrast between this is here, the fingers are closed, background's far. And I did use liner. So on school account, there's actually a video lessons how to get these stars, light beams coming out, and then getting them really clean. So if you're on school, you can watch that. Yeah, pretty much done all that with the liner. As you can see here as well, I did all that with spray to make them really fluffy, clean, sharp, and then just heavy blacks. There's loads of black. And for the black, I've been pretty much using the whole thing endless black. And as you can see, it does say black. It kind of feels illegal black. I don't know if you can see, but it's charcoal black. And when it heals, it looks pretty much the same. Like that is healed black. It's black. Shading wise, the whole thing is done with Allegory ink. Been using that for like a year now. Mostly with the liners, I do all the small areas, and then 15 mag and 9 and 15 has been my friends with all this. And even here, I was using the liner to outline these, then liner to color them in, and then 15 mag I took the chunky areas, and 9 mag if I need to get into some curves and that. But majority of like 15 mag. Up here he had a really nice skin, he was going in like that easy. And this is kind of the stage where it now needs to heal, now it needs to settle, then we see where we are, see the feedback. See, like the two has fresh look, healed look, and then it settles. When it settles, then we can see what's left, and then we can make better judgments. But for now, this is where it is. I didn't film any small videos in between because I knew he had loads of bookings one by one, so I thought I'm gonna make a video in end of it, which is today, as in like it's end of the season. We'll see when the new season's gonna start. He's already thinking about his right arm. What
Yeah.
Uh,
We'll do more.
yeah, we'll do more.
Ready, waiting.
Oh. So this is pretty much as far as it goes. There's nothing else to mention. I use Acus as a machine, and that's about it. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. But this has been a month and seven sessions on this one. 8 sessions was that one, but like 7 here in a month. So there are some crazy people out there who are in 7 sessions almost back to back to get sleep.
If you got any question, you can call me. On 0305.
He can give you advice how to live with this pain.
How's it feeling?
Feels.
But anyway, very recommended. That guy.
How's the pain?
It's alright. Hi man. No woman.
Right guys, I'll see you next season when this is healed and I might get some healed photos.